ka? Some new faces. Nice to meet you. Grabe guys, nasa stars lang sila. Like you guys. Also, please relax and take this to you. Boy, guys.
Until sa naging kilala na nila ako as funny name. Hanggang sa dumating din yung time na nag-shift ako ng career and medyo related na rin sa entertainment. Manager? Ano din ba ito kayo?
Graduate ng dubs na.
Wala pa yung ano yun. Wala pa yung final project. Wala pa. Yay!
Yan pa ako na
Graduation!
Di ko maiwasang pagmasdan ng iyong larawan. Kahit di mo mamalayan, ikaw lang ang gustong tignan. Di ko man masabi kahit na di maaari. Pwede ba kung manatili? Ikaw lang ang gustong pagmasdan.
flowers. So I'm sure I speak for everyone when I say that we've all had a very unforgettable time with you today. So now before we let you go, May, is there anything in particular that you want to tell me?
Thank you, first of all, to Smart, my Smart family, for arranging this intimate evening. And thank you to everyone. Thank you, Red Tomato. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Grabe, like I said, kanina, as always, just meeting and great interactions with you guys. Pero ngayon, ang dami nating first today.
Yay!
10 years na kayong supporters, pero ang dami pa rin nating first, and ang dami pa rin nating kalalaman about each other. So thank you so much, and it's a weekend, Saturday, so enjoy the rest of the weekend, and don't forget to see what I can do. Smart and Power On 99. Now with more data, you get 10 gigabytes of data and money calls and texts on your TikTok and Facebook for 7 days. So
Yay!
good sa kayo for the upcoming na
Yay! Thank you!
Wala po.
Kasha?
We'll be right back.